Hello students, welcome to YCS Sultanpur YouTube channel. This is Suraj Gupta. Today I am going to teach you about tuple in Python. Students, if I talk about tuple, so here tuple is a data structure. Tuple is a data structure in Python, but it is a linear data structure. Linear means everything we should write as a line by line, right? But tuple is immutable. It is a immutable. It means if you declare one times your tuple elements, then you can't able to change them, right? As well as I have know that in list, if I talk about list data types, list data type also is a linear data type in Python, but in list we can change any element of any indexes in Python, right? As well as I have know that list is a mutable data type, and we can change any element in list. But in tuple, we cannot able to change if I have declared already any elements in tuple. And one thing we should remember that in tuple, every element should be declared in circle bracket. Okay, got it, students? Here I am going to represent some example of tuple, that how we can declare any tuple in Python, right? So for that, first we initialize here tuple name, that is TPL, abbreviation of tuple, and assign in circular bracket 2, 7, 5, 3. It is a declaration of tuple. One thing everyone should remember that it is used to store multiple types of data. That means here we are declare only integer data. If you want to, you can also store here string as well as float, as well as also you can store here string data type. Okay, students? So there are two example of tuple, that how we can declare of any element in tuple. And if you want to print them, then just be write here print, and we will pass a message element of tuple is comma tuple. It is a very simple. If I am write like this, it will be print whole element of the tuple. Students, the next point is, if you want to traverse index by index at the each of element in tuple, then for that we should write here. Suppose that if you want to traverse every element in the tuple, then we here declare for that for I in range 0 comma range of 0 comma length of tuple. Colon, and we will pass here a message in print function, element of tuple comma. Actually here I want to traverse every element as an index y index. So for that we need to declare here tuple index of I. When we are write like this, then we will get every time like it is the output of that code. It will be print element of tuple 2, 7, 5 and 3. Got it, students? It is a basic programs, basic things of tuple. For today, it is a sufficient